This short guide explains how to buy shares of Cal Redwood Acquisition Corp, ticker CRAQ, on a retail platform. Cal Redwood is a publicly traded acquisition company listed on NASDAQ, and this video is educational only, not investment advice. To purchase CRAQ, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify the account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker CRAQ to find Cal Redwood Acquisition Corp. Select the result that shows the NASDAQ listing to open the correct asset page. On the asset page, review the company's summary and the price chart to confirm you have the right stock. Double-check that the listing displays the CRAQ ticker and NASDAQ exchange before proceeding. Click the Invest or Buy button, choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm your order. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to deposit more before confirming. Once the trade is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it from there. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to view the platform used in this walkthrough.